Wild Chronicles, an untamed journey through the Philippine wilderness. The Philippines, a sprawling archipelago of over 7,000 islands, emerges from the sea as a bastion of life, a place where every tree whispers secrets of survival, and every wave carries the heartbeat of a thriving marine world. Nestled in the western Pacific, this tropical paradise boasts emerald jungles, sapphire waters, and a kaleidoscope of cultures, shaped by its storied history and the surrounding seas. From the misty peaks of its volcanic mountains to the sprawling coral reefs beneath its azure waves, the Philippines is a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. This sanctuary of biodiversity is one of the world's megadiverse countries, teeming with unique species that are found nowhere else. Its varied ecosystems, ranging from lush rainforests to vibrant mangroves and deep caves, house creatures that defy imagination. The Philippines is not just a destination. It's an untamed theater where nature's drama unfolds, unfiltered and untamed. In the mist-cloaked rainforests, the air hums with the calls of the Philippine eagle. With talons honed like swords and eyes that pierce the shadows, this apex predator commands its realm. Measuring over 3 feet in length, with a wingspan surpassing 7 feet, it soars silently, a phantom among the treetops. The eagle's keen vision detects movement. From high above and with a swift dive, it captures its prey, demonstrating unparalleled mastery of the skies. Beneath the dense canopy, the Philippine tarsier leaps with almost supernatural agility, its eyes gleaming like lanterns in the gloom. These diminutive primates, no larger than a human fist, possess the unique ability to swivel their heads nearly 180 degrees, an adaptation that helps them locate prey in the dense forest. As nocturnal hunters, they rely on silence and precision, pouncing on insects with lightning speed. Each movement tells a story of survival, in a world where every rustle could signal danger or opportunity. Meanwhile, the forest floor is home to the elusive Philippine spotted deer, its reddish-brown coat blending seamlessly with the dappled light filtering through the canopy. This shy herbivore navigates the undergrowth with caution, its keen senses attuned to the slightest disturbance. Sharing this space is the tamaraw, a critically endangered dwarf buffalo. Its rugged build and fierce demeanor belie a fragile existence, as it battles habitat loss and competition for resources. Among the lesser-seen wonders of the rainforest is the giant golden-crowned flying fox, one of the largest bat species in the world. With a wingspan that can reach 5 feet, this fruit-eating bat glides gracefully from tree to tree, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal. Its presence, like that of many others in the rainforest, underscores the interconnectedness of life in these ecosystems. The rainforest is not merely a habitat, but a living, breathing entity where every creature plays a role. Vines coil like serpents around ancient trees, while orchids and mosses adorn their trunks, creating vertical gardens teeming with life. In this symphony of sounds and sights, survival is both an art and a necessity. Below the crystalline waters of the Verde Island Passage, the ocean teems with life. Whale sharks, the gentle giants of the sea, glide gracefully, filtering oceans of water to sustain their massive forms. With mouths that can span over 5 feet, they consume plankton by the ton, their feeding technique a marvel of efficiency. Despite their size, these giants are docile, often accompanied by smaller fish that rely on them for protection and scraps of food. Nearby, pygmy seahorses cling to coral, their camouflage so perfect that they seem born from the reef itself. Measuring less than an inch in length, these tiny creatures are masters of disguise, their bodies mimicking the texture and color of coral polyps. Their survival depends on this invisibility, as predators lurk in the shadows. The coral reefs themselves are bustling metropolises, where every crevice houses a story, from the darting movements of clownfish to the slow, deliberate crawl of starfish. Hermit crabs wander the ocean floor, adorned with living armor in the form of sea anemones. This partnership, a mutualistic relationship, exemplifies nature's creativity. The crabs benefit from the anemone's venomous tentacles, which deter predators, while the anemones gain mobility and access to more food. Together, they traverse the marine world, a testament to the interconnectedness of life beneath the waves. In the deeper waters, the blue-ringed octopus moves with an almost hypnotic rhythm. Its iridescent blue rings flash as a warning to predators, a stark contrast to its otherwise muted coloration. Despite its small size, it wields venom potent enough to paralyze creatures many times its size. Every movement in these waters, from the gentle swaying of seagrass to the predatory strike of a barracuda, contributes to a dynamic and ever-changing ecosystem. Further offshore, pods of spinner dolphins leap joyously into the air, their acrobatics a spectacle that embodies the freedom of the open ocean. These social animals communicate through an array of clicks and whistles, weaving a complex web of relationships within their groups. Their playful energy is infectious, a reminder of the vitality that characterizes the marine world. In the tangled embrace of the mangroves, crab-eating macaques display astonishing dexterity, plucking fruit and foraging with practiced ease. These primates are social creatures, their groups organized into complex hierarchies. As they leap from branch to branch, their chatter fills the air, a lively soundtrack to the stillness of the mangrove swamp. Beyond their foraging skills, these macaques play a crucial ecological role, dispersing seeds that will grow into towering mangroves, fortifying the coastline against erosion. Below, the water monitor lizard stalks silently, its every move a ballet of precision and patience. Measuring up to 7 feet in length, this formidable predator is a master of both land and water. Its forked tongue flicks through the air, tasting the environment for signs of prey. Whether hunting crabs or fish, the monitor lizard's adaptability makes it a dominant force in this ecosystem. The mangroves themselves are a marvel, their roots stretching deep into the water, while arching above the surface to form intricate networks. These roots provide shelter for countless creatures, from juvenile fish seeking refuge to crustaceans burrowing in the mud. The mangroves act as nurseries for marine life, their dense thickets offering protection from predators and currents alike. In this transitional zone between land and sea, life thrives in abundance, showcasing resilience and ingenuity. Among the mangroves, fiddler crabs scuttle sideways. Their oversized claws a distinctive feature used for attracting mates and warding off rivals. Their vibrant colors and curious behaviors bring life to the muddy flats, while their burrowing activities aerate the soil, enhancing the health of the mangrove ecosystem. This delicate balance highlights the intricate relationships that sustain these unique habitats. Deep within the labyrinthine caves of Palawan, time seems to halt. These ancient formations, shaped over millennia by the slow drip of water, house ecosystems that exist in perpetual darkness. Stalactites and stalagmites rise and fall like the spires of a forgotten city, creating a surreal landscape where silence reigns supreme. Here, bats flutter overhead, their wings beating a rhythm that echoes through the chambers. These creatures play a vital role, their guano enriching the cave's ecosystem and supporting a web of life that includes insects, fungi, and even fish in subterranean streams. Cave spiders weave intricate webs, their designs as delicate as they are deadly, ensnaring unwary prey that ventures too close. One of the most extraordinary features of these caves is the Puerto Princesa subterranean river, a natural wonder that winds its way through the darkness. This underground waterway supports a unique ecosystem with creatures adapted to the absence of light. Crustaceans with translucent shells and fish with vestigial eyes navigate its waters, embodying the resilience of life in extreme conditions. The caves, with their stable climate and unique biodiversity, stand as a testament to nature's ability to thrive in even the most unlikely of places. Adding to the mystery are swiftlets that build their nests high on the cave walls. These nests, made entirely of hardened saliva, are a sought-after delicacy known as bird's nest soup. Harvesting them is a perilous task, requiring climbers to scale sheer rock faces with ropes and ladders. This practice, steeped in tradition, showcases the interdependence between humans and the natural world. Palawan's lush landscapes are the crown jewel of the archipelago. Amid its dense forests, the binturong moves with ghostly grace, its prehensile tail serving as a fifth limb as it climbs and forages. This nocturnal creature, with its musky scent reminiscent of buttered popcorn, is a rare sight, a reminder of the island's unique wildlife. The Palawan hornbill's calls echo like a melody of the wild. Its striking black and white plumage, a stark contrast to the green canopy. These birds are crucial seed dispersers, their movements ensuring the propagation of trees that form the backbone of the forest. On the forest floor, the Philippine mouse deer scurries, its diminutive size belied by its crucial role in the ecosystem. These creatures, though small, embody the resilience and adaptability needed to survive in this complex environment. Palawan's beauty is more than skin deep. Its rivers, mountains, and forests are interconnected systems that support a staggering variety of life. Yet, this paradise faces threats from habitat destruction and exploitation. Protecting Palawan's endemic species is not just about conservation. It's about preserving the delicate balance that allows this ecosystem to flourish. Mud skippers crawl onto land, bridging the gap between water and earth. Their resilience a metaphor for life's boundless adaptability. With their bulbous eyes perched atop their heads, they survey the mangrove flats, ready to leap into action. These amphibious fish have evolved to breathe, both in water and on land, making them pioneers in their environment. In the coral reefs, the pygmy seahorse's camouflaged elegance reminds us of nature's artistry. These creatures rely on their invisibility to evade predators, their bodies perfectly mimicking the coral they inhabit. Each movement is deliberate, a dance of survival in a world where every second counts. Nearby, the venomous blue-ringed octopus flashes its warning, a stark reminder of the ocean's dangers. Every creature, from the smallest plankton to the largest predator, plays a role in the intricate web of marine life. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of protecting these habitats, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the wonders beneath the waves. The ocean, vast and mysterious, holds countless stories waiting to be discovered. Each one a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life. Above the waves, seabirds like the black-naped tern dive with precision, their movements a reflection of their mastery over air and sea. These birds, often overlooked, are vital to marine ecosystems, transporting nutrients from the ocean back to land and signaling the health of their habitats. Together, they paint a picture of a vibrant, thriving oceanic world. The Philippines, with its awe-inspiring landscapes and unparalleled biodiversity, stands as a living testament to nature's boundless creativity. From the verdant rainforests echoing with the calls of rare creatures, to the kaleidoscopic coral reefs bursting with marine life, every corner of this archipelago tells a story of survival, adaptation, and harmony. Yet, this natural theater faces mounting challenges from deforestation to climate change and unsustainable exploitation. As visitors and stewards of this incredible planet, we carry a responsibility to protect and nurture these fragile ecosystems. Each effort, whether in conservation, sustainable tourism, or simply spreading awareness, contributes to the survival of these wild places and the countless species that call them home. The Philippines is not just a destination for the curious. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. May the untamed beauty of the Philippine wilderness inspire us all to cherish and safeguard the natural world, ensuring that its wonders endure for generations to come.